Hi friends, welcome to DoodleDoo Kids. Are you ready to have fun drawing and coloring with us? Let's grab your crayons and let the fun begin.
With DoodleDoo we start the show. Ready, set, let's color, go. Dum, da, 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 dum, dum, da, 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 dum, dum, da, 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 dum. Red is bright and full of fun, like apples glowing in the sun. Grab your red and draw a heart. That's the perfect place to start. Red and blue and yellow too. Green and purple just for you. Orange skies and pinky toes. Let's draw a rainbow as it grows. Let's draw a rainbow as it grows. Blue is calm like ocean waves. Draw a whale that splashes and plays. Now take green, it's super cool. Draw some grass and trees at school. Red and blue and yellow too. Green and purple just for you. Orange skies and pinky toes. Let's draw a rainbow as it grows. Let's draw a rainbow as it grows. Do-do. Color spin, color spin. La, la, la. Grab that brush and let's
Great job, little artists. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and come back for more fun with DoodleDoo Kids. See you next time. Bye-bye.